Yeah, we just started recording, to be honest.
I saw your departure out of San Francisco on YouTube. It's pretty good.
Thanks. Well, you're starring in this one.
Yeah, all right. I'll look for it.
Right, we're on 10,000 with a friendly controller and descending via the arrival and joining for 28 right for the straight-in ILS.
10 check completed, 19 checks, station, altimeter 3 times, lights on, cabin is ready, and any amendments?
No. He's slowing down to, what was it, 220? Yeah, 240.
APU.
And then, yeah, slowing down 200. And you can leave the APU off when we vacate.
A little bit right.
Left. A little bit cool.
November 21 Alpha at L10 cleared RNAV runway 12 approach.
L10 cleared RNAV 12 approach.
Who was checking out with the traffic control?
63
Sounds good, and we'll update the synthetic vision database after we land. Start slowing down.
63 X-ray Yankee NorCal approach, altitude navigation, your discretion.
Discretion, 63 X-ray Yankee.
And NorCal, good evening. This is 4460 Papa 2800 over Lixabo. We have the traffic at our 3 o'clock inside. We are also heading to reach as well.
4460 Papa NorCal approach, thanks. Altitude and navigation, your discretion.
Our discretion, Sierra Papa.
AirPod 6 cleared ILS for 28 right.
ILS 28 right, AirPod 6.
Oh, the sun is horrible.
With the reflection of the water.
Yeah, you can see San Francisco over there. And I see the airport environment. Wanna go. Now you can go flaps 10.
Speed check, flaps selected 10.
November 21 Alpha, your departure frequency will be 125.1.
125.1 on the min 21 Alpha.
And you can connect, I guess, you know what? No, never mind, don't connect. You can line us up in just a second. I'll switch to heading mode. And you can just line us up from the, next day. Yeah.
November 21 Alpha, change to advisory.
Over to advisory frequency 21 Alpha. NorCal 63 X-ray Yankee has Mike at read.
X-ray Yankee, thank you.
So what I'm basically doing is just flying the current heading intercept, and I want to stay just a little bit below the glide slope. Obviously it's visual and I can see the terrain, just because we're a little bit fast. And I want to keep the speed up to save some time, because it seems like there's nobody around us.
NorCal approach, Vision Jet 222 X-ray Tango 120, descending via.
Vision 222 X-ray Tango NorCal approach. Fly present heading, descend and maintain 5,000.
Present heading 5,000, 222 X-ray Tango.
There we go. Now let's let it line up, and then we'll hit the approach.
Approach Southwest 4842 out of 10,000 on the Anfield 4 for RNAV Zulu 30.
Detroit 42 NorCal approach, good evening at Maishin, cleared RNAV Zulu runway 30 approach.
At Maishin, clear for RNAV Zulu 30, approach Southwest 4842.
Vision 2 X-ray Tango, clear direct to Alcavy.
Localizer green, glide slope armed. It's always a nice view with the city on the background.
See the fog?
Yeah, just a little bit, just enough.
November 3 X-ray Yankee, connect to Levy Tower, good night.
3 Tower 63 X-ray, good day.
And after we capture the glide slope, you can put 3,000 on the altitude log.
You have a good day.
AirPod 6 Oakland Tower, 118.3, good night.
What tower, good night, number 6.
And flaps 20, please. After you check. Thank you. Round cap.
Flap select 2. Hello, Airport 6, ILS 28 right, parking signature.
Glide slope captured. 3,000 on the altitude.
AirPod 6 Oakland Tower, the wind 2609, runway 2 right, clear to land.
28 right, clear to land, Airport 6.
3,000 on the altitude bug.
Tower Jolly 91, so single AQ60, about a mile northeast of Angel Island.
No, we landed here once in HWD, I think, yeah. HWD.
Jolly 91 Open Tower, squawk 5365, taking your request.
You're down?
5365 on the squawk from the estuary for a right downwind to a right wing land at Kaiser for a quick drop off.
Jolly 91 Roger, follow the estuary to make right traffic runway 28 right.
Follow the estuary to make right traffic 28 right, Jolly 91, thanks.
Number 004, extend downwind, I'll call your base.
Extend downwind, you'll call the base, 004.
And flaps full.
Let me check.
4 landing checklist.
Jolly 91, radar contact.
3 greens.
10 northwest Oakland.
Jolly 91.
Landing clearance to land and all lights on. All landing check complete.
Perfect. Thank
Remember
you.
004 traffic to follow a Challenger on a 3.5 mile final.
Traffic is set, 004. I'll follow that traffic.
Remember 004, number 2, runway 28 right, clear for the option.
Number 2, 28 right, clear for the option, 004.
There's 004, actually, I'm sorry, cancel the landing clearance. Continue to extend, there's going to be one more inbound aircraft.
Roger that, I'll extend downwind, 004.
You don't see, oh, I see the guy over there. Yeah.
I see.
He doesn't have this mode
Wow.
C. Yeah, no factor.
Tower Boxer 1959, left downwind 2A right.
1959, Oakland, you're following the Challenger 2 mile final, number 2, runway 28 right, clear to land.
I've got him in sight, number 2, clear to land, 2A right.
See the
Boxer
guy.
1959.
Okay, that's fine.
And no wind for now, as far as I can see.
500.
Remember 004, you can begin your right base now, number 3 to follow a Caravan, turning to about a 1.5 mile final, runway 28 right, clear for the option.
Starting right base for 28 right, clear for the option, looking for that traffic to follow, 004.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
3,000 to go.
Spoilers deployed. Reverse is green. 100,
2,000
90.
feet remaining.
80,
We'll go in Juliet.
70, 60,
AirPod 6,
50.
turn right on Juliet, safe parking.
Right and Juliet. Over the ground, airport 6.
AirPod 6, taxi Juliet, Delta the ramp.
Juliet Delta to the ramp, airport 6.
Okay, after landing checks.
After landing complete, no APU. Technically, we don't really need the ground.
And yeah, he didn't say
AirPod 6, I'm sorry, you said Kaiser?
negative.
Negative, airport 6.
AirPod 6, Roger, taxi Juliet Delta, is it the signature then?
Signature, affirmative.
Thank you.
Yeah, overflowed it just a little bit longer than what I would have wanted.
Boxer 1959, turn right at Echo, taxi Charlie to Kaiser.
Echo Charlie to Kaiser, Boxer 1959.
There's our follow me. Taxi lights off.
Off.
All right.